Hello. So Kelly Kennedy here talking about bee venom therapy. And so if you are using bee venom therapy, what I want to bring to your attention is you're just going to use a small amount from the tube. You're going to use a Q-tip to put it on the Q-tip. You're going to just apply a little bit. And then when you apply it on the spots, typically what I do is I will layer them 1, 2, 3, or label them 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to layer them on. So you're going to start with the first spot. Typically I have somebody do it 1 to 2 times a week. And you're going to just apply by rubbing the bee venom on the location. What you'll see is just like when we did a test dose in the center, you're going to see the area get a little red, a little raised, a little itchy. That is the ideal response. If it gets a little more itchy or a little more red than you can tolerate or for too long, the next application, use a little bit less bee venom. If you don't get enough of that reaction, if it's like, oh, barely notice it, use a little bit more bee venom. And as you continue to use the bee venom, you should notice that that spot, you will notice that that spot will first react more and then will stop reacting as much. When it stops reacting as much or takes longer to react, that's the time we retest and we reorient as to where we apply the bee venom. So with 1 to 2 times a week and 4 locations, let's say, you're going to apply at level 1 or at the first location on day 1. As long as you get that appropriate response, you stay the next application, you're going to add the first and the second location. If that response is too much, you wait. It does not matter if it's 1 week or 4 weeks before you add the third location. You wait until the body is able to tolerate gently, comfortably, and easily the application, and you're getting a good little response of a little raised, a little itchy, a little red, and that's all we have brought the attention of the immune system to wake the body up with the bee venom to the bugs that are in the body that are not supportive or conducive, or the burden essentially to the body. And the bee venom is brilliant with your innate wisdom to direct it to go wherever it needs to. The areas that I have selected have been through an energetic muscle response test or some other bioenergetic test that I've done to know what meridian points to apply these at. And so at some point, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 locations bilaterally, and they're all going to respond. They're all going to be a little itchy. They're all going to be a little bit raise. And then what you'll also notice as you go through this process, your energy should increase, your symptoms should go away in general, whatever symptoms you have. But if you notice any increase in joint pain, then apply the bee venom right directly to where that pain is in the body. It could also be a fascia point. It might not be a joint. It might be like down the leg or something. So feel free to apply it as you're getting more comfortable with it to other areas of the body where you maybe feel pain, because what it's doing is directing your body's awareness and attention to where the bugs are in the body. Once it knows where the bugs are, the bee venom actually addresses that. The white blood cells then pull out, and the lymphatics pull out all of the toxicant, pathogen, excrement, if you will, that's left over, the debris, and that's mobilized through our lymph. And then we pee it out, poop it out, sweat it out. I would contend bleed it out, and we mostly breathe it out. I don't think it's a coincidence. They're called bees, and we're here to be human beings, and we can't live without them. So let's be present to yourself, be aware of how the body's responding, and allow the bee venom to assist your internal wisdom to allow the body to heal and get rid of all that cell deficient bacteria, all the Lyme co-infections and EDV co-infections and old viruses. And bee venom is truly one of the most magical facilitators of the wisdom of nature. So enjoy. Kelly Kennedy, enjoy your bee venom.